Hi, this is Crystal Tanish, and this is my Module 11 reflection. The first question is what experience impacted me the most? So, yesterday actually, we had a training on classroom management, and at Liberty, we focus on 10 key elements of classroom management, and we actually go through them in order. And yesterday, we usually do professional development training as a group, which we go in and we teach, and other team members or the principal or whoever is with us can step in and help us by coaching while we're teaching. However, this training was different, so we taught, and then all of the team members and the administration had an evaluation form that they filled out as we taught, and then we debriefed and reflected after. So this experience was very different than any other training that I've had so far, and honestly, it was a little bit more, it made me a little bit more nervous this time because we didn't have anyone stepping in, but it was actually really helpful to reflect and to think about some things that will help me get better with classroom management. There's always room for improvement, so I really do like the reflection part of that experience because then I get some things that I can focus on and work on. So I always try to focus on one thing I want to change a week, and then throughout the week focus on that. So my one thing that I am going to focus on is sometimes I have students that don't want to give any effort or have their hood down or hood on and head down on their desk. And a strategy that I found in classroom management was that when students are like that, that you don't want to overwhelm them with a bunch of tasks or activities. Like you just want to keep checking in on them throughout the period, and ask them to do little things at a time. So like, hey, can you just pick up your head, and then after they do that, then obviously praise, and then just continuously just keep checking in on them. Okay, now let's write this one step down, and then eventually they will hopefully do more and give more effort. So that was a positive experience for me. I got some strategies that I am looking forward to implementing throughout the rest of the year. And then from this module, at Liberty Middle School, we honestly don't, in my opinion, we don't use as much technology as we could. And so I really liked how this module had the Genius Bar part specifically because I got some ideas that hopefully I can present to my team and we can try with the students, because when we do get to use technology, they really do appreciate it and have more, they are more engaged. So I'm excited to try a few things from that, and I really liked the resources in this lesson. And then I don't have any questions that have surfaced for me right now. I think I got to ask you them. But that is all. Thank you.